Hello student, today I will read from this paragraph. You're sure that I did go to Ranchi. Now what happened when Chunilal came to Bipin Babu's house? He wanted to ask him, he wanted to confirm whether he was in Ranchi or not. So Chunilal had again raised a doubt, had risen a doubt in the mind of Bipin Babu. So he said whether it was 58 or 59, which year you are asking to me. So he said, you are sure that I did go to Ranchi. It means when he asked in this manner whether it was 58 or 59, in which year you have want to ask. So then a doubt had risen in the mind of Chunilal. So sorry, in the mind of Bipin Chaudhary. So he said, you are sure that I did go to Ranchi? Chunilal's look of amazement was not unmixed with worry. It means he was not surprised, even he was not in a worry. In a neutral manner, he just stared Bipin Babu why he is asking such kind of question to him. Do you mean you have doubts about having gone at all? So he said. Further, he asked him whether he had any kind of doubt, whether he was suspicious about going anywhere. Did I go? Do you remember clearly? Again, Bipin Babu asked. Tell me first of all whether I have really uh, went to Ranchi or not. Chuni sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said. So what happened when Chunilal heard this thing? He suddenly sat on the sofa and he continuously watching Bipin Babu with a with the you can say with a lot of attention. Hard stare means with a lot of attention. He was continuously watching to Bipin Babu that why he was asking such kind of question. So here he was little bit amazed. Bipin, have you taken to a drugs or something? So he asked Bipin Babu that whether you are on the drugs, whether you are taking drugs. As far as I know, you had a clean record. It means you are not that kind of person who take these uh, drugs. So where such things were concerned, it means these kind of trouble, you never have these kind of trouble in your life. So I know that old friendship don't mean much to you. Now here he is taunting also at Bipin Babu that he knew that he can forget the friendship, his old friendship, but at least you had a good memory. You can't really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi trip. And I knew you have a good memory, you have an excellent memory. But how it is possible for you that you had forgotten the Ranchi trip? I knew that you had forgotten our friendship, our childhood friendship, but I knew that you never forgot the any kind that incident which that you had gone to Ranchi. Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chuni's incredulous stare. When Bipin Babu heard that Chunis was also confirming that he had been to Ranchi, he had turned his face from him because he was a credulous stare means he was suspicious, staring. His staring was very suspicious. In a suspicious manner, he was staring at Bipin Babu. Do you remember what my last job was? Asked Chunilal. Then Chunilal again asked him, do you know what was my job? Yeah, of course, you worked in a travel agency. So he said that you worked for a travel agency. You remember that. And you don't remember that it was I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi. So he said, although you remember everything that I was I was in the travel agency, but how it is possible for you that you have forgotten your Ranchi trip? I have fixed this train. I have bought the ticket for your train and I went to the station to see you up, or I have bid farewell to you. It means I have come to you know came to you can say I have came to bid farewell. It means I have came to say goodbye to you. Understood? So how it is possible for you to forgotten all the things about the Ranchi trip? And when I came to the station, I have also one of the fan in your compartment was not working. I have so that fan I got an electrician to your compartment, electrician to fix it. So I have arranged an electrician who had checked you, who had mended the who had checked the fan as it was not working, who has fixed the fan in your compartments. So have you forgotten everything? Whatever is the matter with you, you don't look too well, So whatever the matter with you, I think you are getting sick. You are not in a good condition. Bipin Babu sighed Now Bipin Babu side means he indicate a negative response towards him and shook his head. So he was again, he became hopeless person there, and he said that yes, Chunilal is correct. He had really lost his memory. I have been working too hard, he said at last. So what the Bipin Babu had said, that maybe he was working very hard, that's why that is affecting his memory. So that must be the reason. Must see about consulting a specialist. So he said that I have to consult a doctor. Doubtless it was Bipin's condition which made Chunilal without mentioning anything about a job. So Chunilal has also thought that certainly the Bipin Babu's condition is not good. So it is not good for it is not a correct time to mention about his or to talk about a job. So he left the home and he went out. Paresh Chanda was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. Then Bipin Babu met Paresh Chanda, his physician. He was a young physician. He has a bright high eyes and sharp nose. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptoms. So he thoughtful means he was worried about the conditions of Bipin Babu, and he was surprised also. Look, Dr. Chanda, said Bipin Babu desperately, hopelessly, you must cure me of this horrible illness. It means this dreadful illness that I have forgotten the whole part of my life. I can't tell you how it is affecting my work. So I can't tell you that how much it is influencing, this terrible illness is influencing my working criteria also.